right, great job trying to make that initial kind of prediction of what claim you think is correct. You should be at this section of your Google form. What you should be doing is we're going to get into the simulation right now. Your job is going to be to try to find all three of those different items in a virtual chemical stockroom. Now, before we start, you're definitely going to need your science notebook. If you still don't have a science notebook, then a piece of paper will be handy for you today. That's fine. You'll need to copy down a chart that you see in your notebook, kind of like this. Mine's not very pretty, but you get the basic picture. So you're just going to copy that chart down that you see in the Google form. That's going to really help you out today. But once you open the sim, if you click this add substance, that's not what we're doing today. So just ignore that part. You've got these three little lines over here. Click on the chemical stockroom and then click yes. That's all we're really doing today. And your job is to go through these different, so you have all sorts of chemicals in here. They're labeled, and then when you click on them, it will tell you their properties. It'll tell you what their color is, whether they have an odor, what their melting point and boiling point, all that fun stuff. So your job is to go through and find what you think. You're trying to find sample 1, sample 2, and sample 3. If you can't find all three, try and think about why that is. Maybe you already pulled one substance, or maybe it's not there, whatever have you. Other than that, you're going to use that info to answer the questions. I'm going to use oxygen as an example. This is not one of the substances and the samples that we're looking at, but this is just an example. After you've filled out your chart or copied down your chart on page 6 of your notebook, you can go through and see that oxygen is a colorless gas. It is an arrangement of 2 oxygen molecules put together. The phase at room temperature is a gas, the odor is odorless, and then the melting point and boiling point is right there. So all that information is put there for you. If you're to click another substance, it'll pop up as well. So you don't necessarily need to put that substance back and then click another one before you click another one. All right, so you're going to use that information on the samples to try and fill out the chart that you just copied down, or that you should copy down in your notebook. You can do it. Good luck. If you don't find all 3 samples, just, again, think about why that is.